In this question, 5 resistances are connected as shown in diagram. Find equivalent resistance between point A and B in following two cases. Now, as you are seeing, there are two circuits, circuit 1 and circuit 2. We have to calculate resistance between point A, this point, and point B, diagonally opposite. In first case, so by seeing this circuit, it is clear that between A and B, the upper part ADB and the lower part ACB and diagonal resistance, these are connected in parallel. Clear? Because the upper part 3 and 7. Okay, let us redraw this circuit. Between A and B, we have two resistors 3 and 7. This is the mid branch diagonal 10 ohm. Again, the lower branch 10 ohm and 5 ohm. In this way, it is clear that there are three branches and all three are connected in parallel. In upper branch, the two resistors 3 ohm and 7 ohm are connected in series, and the resultant resistance of series is R1 plus R2. Point D and point C are meaningless here. A and B, we have upper branch and lower branch. In lower branch 10 and 5 ohm connected in series. So in A and B, in between A and B, the upper 3 and 7 makes 10 ohm. The mid branch 10 ohm already is there. And the lower branch ACB, total resistance is 10 ohm, 15 ohm, because these are in series. In this way, now it is clear that these three resistors are in parallel. So the resultant resistance, equivalent resistance is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 in parallel. So R equivalent we can get 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Here the LCM of 3, 10, 10 and 15 is 30 ohm, and because first one is 10, so 10 3 is 30, 3 plus 3 plus 2, 8 by 30. So R equivalent is 30 by 8, that is equal to 15 by 4 ohm resistance. In second case, now we have to determine resistance between A and B. You see here the adjacent corners. In upper part there are 3 ohm and 7 ohm in series, so resultant will be 10 ohm. This is 10 ohm. This is ACD resistance. The diagonal side is 10 ohm. Here between A and B we want to calculate total resistance. Between A and B there is a resistor 10 ohm, and between B and D there is a resistor of 5 ohm. Our aim is to calculate resistance between A and B. To calculate this resistance, the upper part, there are two resistors 10 and 10 ohm are in parallel. So the equivalent resistance, because two are equal 10 and 10, so the resultant will be 10 by 2 means 5 ohm. Two resistors connected in parallel of same value R and R, their equivalent will be R by 2 in parallel. Okay, again redraw this circuit. What we are getting, the upper branch have 5 ohm, then again there is 5 ohm. Between A and B, this is 10 ohm, and now these two branches are in parallel between A and B. So upper branch 5 ohm these two resistors are in series, their resultant will be 10 ohm. So, because they are in series, their resultant will be 10 ohm. Again redraw 10 ohm upper branch, 10 ohm lower branch, and this is B. So finally, between A and B, we have two resistors, 10 ohm, 10 ohm. Okay, so the resultant will be 10 by 2, 5 ohm. In this way, what we are observing that if point A and B diagonally opposite, their resultant will be 15 by 4. And if A and B are adjacent corner, the resultant will be 5 ohm in the same circuit. If we change the points between where we have to find equivalent resistance, their value will change. And in this way, I hope that you are getting